how I took a trade on gold and it was cool and nice, right? So we all know gold has been bullish, so I started from my daily time frame because my focus is on the daily time frame. I'm a day trader. So starting from the daily time frame, what did I do? Just follow, because I've analyzed this already like previously. I'm just doing a recap. This is a recap, so I'll do a recap on this and a recap on USD card, so watch out for the both. So I marked what this, okay, I marked what this is. Let me hide this section. I will put it on 30 minutes. So I marked, this was the candle I took the trade from. You can see where my hand is. So I marked this previous day high and previous day low, right? That's what I did, and I moved to where? To 4 hours. So on 4 hours, what did I want to see on 4 hours? I want to see the candle that opened from this, inside this range, where it swept from. Did it sweep from the low or did it sweep from the high? So now what I mean is, now that the price opened from this upper part here, I know it's trying to do what? Come to this down part here, right? So what did I do? I checked inside this range on 4 hours. Inside this range on 4 hours, what is happening? I saw after this price, I come back, it was around 10 o'clock after this 4 hours candle closed, right? It was around 10 o'clock after this 4 hours candle closed, and what did I see? I saw a sweep, a 4 hour sweep here, right? And I saw 4 hours reject 4 hours from this key level. So, and I waited for this candle to close around 10 o'clock, and when the candle closed around 10 o'clock, I saw it break below this key level, which is supposed to be a resistance, which is supposed to be a support. Now is now turning to a resistance. So I marked that out and write XBR, that is support become resistance. So after seeing that, after this candle closed by 10 o'clock, I moved to 30 minutes. On my 30 minutes, what do I want to see? I want to see a break, on these 4 hours. After the candle reject 4 hours, reject 4 hours, and this 4 hours sweep, I went to 30 minutes to see what? Look for a break of structure, and I'm putting my eyes on this RBS because price has do what? Break close below this RBS. So on my, so now I now use the time section. So on the time section, inside this range now, I mark the Tokyo high and this is the Tokyo low. This is my accumulation, and what did price did? Price accumulates to the upside, and this manipulation did what? Broke it to the upside, taking this high, ancient high. So I know it's coming to take out the low and tap into this previous day low. So but how will I enter the trade? Some traders will have been waiting for price to do what? Come into this FEG, right? But why didn't I consider that on the 30 minutes? Is because on the 4 hours I already saw this XBR, that price has already broke below a key level, so I was expecting price to use that level instead. Hope you get me. So with that has been done, now what did I do? I look for a liquidity. Let's move to 5 minutes. So on the 5 minutes, right, on the 5 minutes, I waited for a break of structure below, because that 4 minutes already has the SBR. So I confirmed it on 5 minutes that it gave me a break of structure here. So let's change it. Let's use our 15 minutes. or let's use the, you can still use the 30 minutes also, like you can stay on the 30 minutes. So on the 30 minutes using line chart, I confirm that it already okay, it's not that clear on 30 minutes, so I think you need to, I move to 15 minutes. Okay, on 15 minutes I confirm this. After this break, I look for a liquidity, which is an inducement, right? After this SBR, right? So I saw this as an inducement. I don't just mark it out because I know what I was doing. So I saw this as an inducement. This was around 10, you can see 10 o'clock. So I was expecting price to do what, and change this to candle. So I was expecting price to do what, take out this inducement. Hope you understand. Taking out this inducement now on the line chart, price taking out this inducement, I'm going to use this as my what, key level. So, and can see what the price did. Price tapped into it, but when price tapped into it now and was rejecting down, I waited for price to come and do what, tap into this SBR, because this SBR is what, is a strong confirmation that was on the 4 hours. So I waited for that SBR price to tap into it, and you can see when price come down, price created for us a liquidity here that I marked, and price did what, tapped into the SBR and did what, move all the way down to this, let's stay on 1 hour, move all the way down to this CRT low. That was how I get it. And you can see I write a accumulation, manipulation, distribution. You can see the New York section did what, give us the distribution. That was how I took the trade here. So let's also do something like that on XAUUSD card before we do our analysis for the day.